Hi, good morning. My name is Marc. I'm the CEO and partner of Appliant. Appliant is a company that it's a product company, and we designed the manufacturing intelligence platform to break the data silos in the shop floor. We are only based in life science and only using zenon technologies. Thanks to our experience in more than 15 years in pharma and biotech, we are only focused in pharma and biotech. So that means that we know the language of the industry, and also we provide the validation package afterwards after deploying the MIP platform into customer sites. Yeah, we become a COPA-DATA partner since 3 years now. And precisely this year, today, we are going to be a gold partner of COPA-DATA after these 3 years of growth and collaborating with COPA-DATA Iberia. The reason for choosing COPA-DATA is mainly that after screening the market, different kind of technologies, we were looking for one which is really flexible, it's modular, and it's much more easy to validate for the life science industry because it's already qualified in terms of all the standards that we need for the industry. What it means for me and for us and the company itself is really to have someone that supports you in your vision of building all these platforms and apps that we are building, and we're getting always the support at different levels and different professionals inside COPA-DATA. This close relationship with the local Iberian subsidiary, it's really the key to really develop all these thanks to them and to our developers.
My name is Anna Faura. I work at Appliant as a product owner, and I'm in charge of the design and development of different applications using the zenon software. I think zenon is a very powerful tool when it comes to its modularity, allowing to implement a wide variety of functionalities and all of them being designed from the same engineering studio environment. And as well as that, the traceability of data is very important too. Mostly in the pharmaceutical sector is a very important issue. And in that way, data integrity is always guaranteed, and everything is recorded in the audit trail, which is very important for validations.
We do all the projects with zenon, so it means that we are only using this technology in our portfolio, meaning that all the customers that we are working with and all the apps that we are developing are based on zenon platform.
There's a project in which we've digitalized a whole shop floor, and we've not only been involved in the control of equipment and of processes, but also in the electronic batch record and being able to implement with zenon the different procedures when it comes to the fabrication and the production, and then the validation of these recipes in order to release the batch.
It's difficult really to choose a project that we are most proud of it, but I would say there are some of them that have real impact on the people, on the patients, right? All the related with the advanced therapies, it's important because we make a huge positive impact into the patient, which really is our core and end goal is to improve patients' lives. We really know the customer success, or we measure this customer success because they show their confidence in us year after year with our subscription model, right? So they keep renovating the trust on us thanks to our commitment to make the project together. What I would recommend to all of them is to really kickstart testing the technology in a proof of concept approach, but always having in mind the roadmap, what they want to achieve, right? To demonstrate the technology step by step to achieve the end goals after 3 years of implementation or whatever they want to do. But kickstart at some point testing the technology, because as soon as you get engaged with the technology, you know that it's scalable, it's flexible, and it's much more easy to validate.
Hi, it's Alba. I work in Maribel Pharma Solutions. I work in production area. As a first path in our way to implementing zenon in our business, the first step was to implement digital recording and batch intelligence platform. So now we have moved from reviewing a lot of documents and pages to reviewing by exception, which reduces a lot of time and dedication and helps us to redistribute these resources and make our lives easier.